Hi everyone, Courtney here. Today we're going to talk about another one of our top selling products, our BB 4K Blu-ray player. This is a fully functioning Blu-ray player with a covert hidden Wi-Fi camera. First, let's see everything the box comes with. Alright, when you open the box, the first thing that you're going to see is the Blu-ray player itself. Here is our Blu-ray player here. Get a little closer so you can see. Here is our covert hidden camera. Very, very minuscule hole there, and it is super, super easily hidden, so no one will be able to find it. Alright, next thing you see when we pull everything out of the box are going to be the instruction booklets. This is going to come with two. The first instruction booklet is going to show you how to connect your camera to your smartphone and your router, as well as the features offered by the free smartphone application. And the second manual you are going to find is the manual for the fully functional Blu-ray player. It'll give you the setup, all that good stuff there. The next thing in the box you're going to find is the Blu-ray player's remote control. You'll need that to use this as a fully functioning item in your home. In the box, you're also going to find, with your instruction booklet for your camera, an SD card reader. This allows easily saving your recordings to your computer or any other USB device capable port. Alright, and the very last thing that you want to make sure that is coming along with the items is a pre-installed 128 gigabyte micro SD card that will be located here. This SD card gives you the ability to capture over 26 days of recordings before it needs to ever be backed up. This is everything that you need to get started. So let's show you here. Again, to point out our hidden camera, very, very tiny hole here. That is where your covert camera is. Now let's talk about the device features. Once the camera is set up, which again is over here, it's going to live stream in a 4K resolution to the smartphone application and record an HD video files to the SD card or to your phone. This smartphone app also allows you to set up motion detection alerts, which appear as emails or push notifications to your phone. Set up motion detection recording for automatic video and or image capturing along with alerts. Change the length of the video clips for motion detection mode. Schedule continuous recordings for the times you're at work or otherwise away from your home. You can access the micro SD card recordings right from your smartphone, so you don't even have to retrieve the card from the device itself. You can set up the camera to only be connected to your smartphone when you're within range instead of using the remote viewing option via your home router. It also has auto overwrite and loop recording functionality, so that even if your SD card fills with recordings, the device can start deleting the oldest recordings and then recording the new ones. You can set up recording directly to your smartphone or the SD card itself. This camera itself has a 90-degree viewing angle to capture most of the room. And the best part, again, that it is a fully functional Blu-ray player. You can use it to watch Blu-ray DVDs at your home, as well as using it for the covert hidden camera. We also offer free technical support on all of our products, so if you need any assistance, we are here for you. We look forward to helping you with all of your security needs, and please be sure to visit deluxecctv.com for this product and more like it. And be sure, after this video ends, make sure you stay tuned, because we are going to have a clip of how this product functions and the test recordings of the videos attached directly after this. Have a beautiful day, everyone.